Hey plant lover, how you doing? Welcome back. Hope your plants are getting all the care they deserve. Today I have a crazy hibiscus variety called Mango Dainty. You would love the color of the flowers, I bet you on that. But first, we need to create ideal conditions for this hibiscus to start the bloom. How often we have seen hibiscus would keep growing without any flowers, or the plant won't grow at all, no flowers and stunted foliage. We will be fixing all that. If you need to know how I propagated this particular hibiscus plant, I'll leave the video link in the description and even a card in the top right corner. You can watch the propagation video later. So this is what we will be talking about. How much water a hibiscus plant would need, what kind of fertilizer you should use, when, and more importantly, how to prune, exposure to the sun, and so many other things. Plant's age and height. Before getting on with these processes, please note that the plant's age and height are quite important. If the plant is at least 2 feet high and more than a year old, we are good to go. Plowing and getting rid of dead or yellow leaves. You should plow the soil once every month and right before using the fertilizer. All you have to do is cut out the dead leaves, but don't leave small snags that will die back. If the dead leaves are located at the top of the shoot, you will best remove them by using sharp scissors and cutting the stem back to its base. Fertilizer. All purpose fertilizer or NPK fertilizer tabs would all work just fine. However, please make sure you add dried and crushed eggshells because hibiscus loves them. You can check out the video where I make organic fertilizer using the simplest of ingredients and methods. I'll leave the link in the description. Now comes the fun part, pruning. Don't prune more than 3 branches at once. Select 2 or 3 branches that are growing aggressively and are more capable of branching out. So start from the top. The first 3 should be your target and make cuts about 1 to 2 inches from the top. Don't go for the drastic cuts. These cuts would be at a point where the branches can easily be bent without breaking. So the green part should be the target. Sealing of the wounds. Cinnamon is the best thing for your plants. I've been using it for years without any complaints. So trust me when I say cinnamon is the best thing you can use on your plants. Nothing beats its cost effectiveness and diverse usefulness. Result. We have got 3 sub branches for each of the cuts, and that's the most you will also get. What this basic process did for us is initiated flowering, and also the number of buds which in turn would become flowers has also gone up to 3-4 times. The health of the plant. If the leaves of your hibiscus plant look a little bit off color, some of them are even turning yellow from time to time and falling off. Please don't read too much into it. The plant is all fine if it's growing and flowering. This happens mainly due to excessive heat or cold. However, be aware of one thing. When it comes to hibiscus, fine, honeybees and hummingbirds love the flowers, so do mealybugs. But we already have an effective solution for them. I'll leave the link in the description you can check out after watching this video. Flowering. We have some healthy buds all over the plant, and given everything we discussed until now is right in place, don't worry about the bud drop or anything like that. Things will turn out to be fine. Let's have a closer look at the buds. We have 5 6 of them on every branch. Again, that's the most you'll have on a plant that's about 1 year old. Also, be aware of the fact that flowers on most household varieties would last just for a day. Some cases, they stay for 3 days at most. Time lapse. Here comes the highlight of the video. Enjoy and make sure you let me know in the comments if it was the best thing you watched today. Thank you so much once again for your time and interest. Please make sure you like and share this video with all interested parties, and don't forget to subscribe. And most importantly, please share your questions, feedback, and suggestions in the comments. And as you're aware, no comments will go unanswered. So go crazy if you want. After the first week of this video, I'll select the best comment and pin it for good. So be creative and unique and post relevant comments to be considered for this honor. I will see you again soon with another exciting video. Until then, please stay safe, stay healthy, and keep adding plants around you. Cheers.